this is Z from Sain Official. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So today we are going to talk about how to boot or start up your computer or laptop more faster, and we are using Windows 10. So let's start the video and tell you how to make it possible. The first step to make your boot more faster is to open the task manager. So there are two options. You can also click all, control and delete. So when you press it, it will take you to this menu. You can click task manager from here and it will open that. If you cannot do this, if your keyboard has some issue, so what you have to do is to right click on the taskbar and there will be the option task manager. So for your information, I'm using Windows 10. So here you can see different tabs like process, performance, app history, startup, user details, services. Okay, so what you have to do is to go to the startup and you can maximize it, and here you can see these are the apps that will be started when your Windows starts. Means we are going to log in the startup. So most of them are the social, like I'm using Emo, IDM, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, Skype, WeChat, your phone, Wondershare Studio. So the most time taking apps are the social ones. So what you can do is to disable them from here and you can run them when you want, or just enable that one which is most important for you to make your computer boot more faster. What you have to do is, like, I have to disable Microsoft Teams. It is already disabled, so I click enable. So here it will show enabled, and while I click on it back again, I have to click disable. So in this way your computer will be starting more faster, as there will be less apps which need to be started when your Windows starts. So this was the first method. So let me show you the second method regarding that. So you have to click on Windows, right click on the Windows button. Okay, when you right click, it will show you many options like apps and features, mobility center, power option, event viewer, system, device manager. So you have to click system. So when you click the system, it will take you the system information menu. Here will be display, sound, notification, focus assist and so on. Here is the detail of my computer that I am using. So I have to click advanced system settings, that is on the right corner, right down side. So after opening it, it will take me to the advanced settings of the Windows. So here is option performance, user profile, startup and recovery. So I have to go to the settings in performance section, and as I have already adjusted for the best performance, there are three options. Let the Windows choose what's better for my computer. In most of the cases this is a good one, but if you want extra performance, you can adjust for best performance. If you want it for best appearance, if you have a good graphics card, must select adjust for best appearance. But if you want to boot it more faster, use it for better performance. Click apply and it's all. So I'm taking back it to let Windows choose what's best for my computer, and you can see it checks almost all the visualizations mentioned in here. So just have to click apply and it will take 2 or 3 seconds to apply, and then click OK and you click OK. And that was the second simple method to do it. And so the third and the most important, you can say a very important option, is most of the people computer are filled with the cache files, so we have to remove them, and for that you have to do the disk cleanup. So what you have to do is to click Windows button and you can search here DISK disk cleanup. Okay, open it and select the drive you want to. Most of the time you have to select the Windows drive, or you can also clean up all your drives. So let me tell you one thing, in this case no data will be deleted from your drive. These are only the system and cache files that will be deleted. So don't worry, your drive will not format, your data would not be deleted. So let me clear my Windows drive. I click OK, and it will do a temporary setup, and after that you can see it is telling me that these files are not usable for my computer. So what I have to do is to check all those, and after that I have to click OK. It will permanently delete files, and in this way my drive will be clean up. After this you can restart your computer and enjoy it. So that was all from today's video. We hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.